So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you top 3 newly launched base meme coin for this coming mega bull run here. All these 3 meme coins are still not listed on any major exchange, but these 3 meme coins have potential to definitely major exchanges will not miss these coins and will list soon these all meme coins. Okay, maybe we can see their Binance listing also. Okay, so video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, first of all, here you can see I have opened my favorite meme coin list on KuCoin Exchange. Here you can see all the meme coins are pumping right now. Here you can see this is Bob Token, Ladies, Pew, Silly, Pepe 2, Dogecoin, Kukinu, Shiba Inu. Okay, all the meme coins are pumping right now, so it means this coming mega bull run will belongs to meme coins. Okay, all meme coin will be pumped used in this mega bull run here. So friends, that's why I'm also sharing top 3 best meme coins with you. Okay, because these meme coin has also potential to be the next 1000x potential meme coins. There you can see Crow with knife car symbol. Okay, current coin has 7 zeros in its price, 2.7% up in last 24 hours, but here you can see in last 7 days price is pumped by almost 18% here. Coin is new. Okay, it's not old. Okay, I think just launched by I think 5 to 6 months ago. Here you can see current market cap is just $53 million market cap. Current trading volume in last 24 hours is $1.8 million only, because still this meme coin is not listed on any tier 1 exchange. Okay, not even listed in MEX exchange. You can see coin is working on Kronos chain, so that's awesome. Okay, that's why this meme coin is very unique. All-time high was 19 days ago. Okay, we are still 53% down than its all-time high, and all-time low was 3 months ago, where from we are almost 1700% up than its all-time lows. That's good. Okay, listed in crypto.com exchange. Okay, because this meme coin is working on Kronos chain. Okay, and all other dexes, but when this meme coin will be listed on centralized exchanges just like Bybit, maybe KuCoin can list soon this meme coin, maybe MEXC can list this meme coin soon, then definitely Ka meme coin can be the next 1000x potential meme coin for us. This meme coin can gain the market cap of $5 billion or maybe more in this coming mega bullion here. First, the second coin is MAGA. Okay, Trump is symbol. You can see currently coin has 143 number market cap ranking. Current price is $14.4 here. Okay, when I shared this meme coin, I think 2 weeks ago its price was just $5, but right now it's already pumped up to 3x here. Coin has pumped 184% in last 30 days. So this is amazing. Market cap of $674 million. So that's amazing. Okay, already huge market cap. Trading volume in last 24 hours is $22.2 million. Okay, so that's awesome. Max supply, circulation supply is how you can see 6.5 million coins, so that's good. And coin is working in Ethereum chain. Here you can see this is a Politify meme coin. Just now, okay, just 6 hours ago this meme coin has made its all-time high. That was on $15, and we are almost 1200,000% up than its all-time low. That about 8 months ago. That's awesome. And still this meme coin is not listed on any tier 1 exchange. You can see just listed in MEXC, CoinX, XT.com, BangX. Is still not listed on Bybit, is still not listed on KuCoin, Binance, but these tier 1 exchanges will list this meme coin soon. Okay, so this meme coin can be perform really amazing, and this is the meme coin that can gain the market cap of 40 to maybe $50 billion in this coming mega bullion here. Friends, number third and last meme coin is Maneki coin. Okay, this meme coin is also pumped here after I make this video. Okay, at that time this meme coin was trading on $0.008, but right now you can see its price is $0.015. Okay, right now this meme coin is pumped by almost 17% here, but here you can see its price is pumped by 183% in just 14 days here. Okay, so this is amazing. Current market cap $140 million market cap. This meme coin is working in Solana chain, so that's awesome. Last 24-hour trading volume is amazing. $45.3 million trading volume. All max supplies in circulation, so that's awesome. Okay, and here you can see this is a cat theme meme coin on Solana chain. We are 42% down, still there is all time high there was 2 months ago, and we are just 254% up then is all time low. This meme coin can perform really amazing. I think maybe we can see is Binance listing first, then initially two meme coins. Okay, Binance maybe list this meme coin soon, because you can see crypto.com, KuCoin exchange, and all other central exchanges has listed this coins, but still this meme coin is not available on Binance exchange. But I think maybe we can see Binance exchange listing soon. So friends, these three meme coins can perform really amazing in this coming mega run. Maybe we can expect 50 to 100x profit from these meme coins here. What's your price prediction about these all three meme coins? Okay, are there other meme coins that can cause really 1000x potential? You can must comment down below.